Hello everyone and welcome to Gastronauts Kitchen channel. Today we are going to be preparing Thai red curry seafood, and these are the ingredients we are going to be using. Also, you can find them in the description. Cleaning shrimps and deveining them. You can leave the end of the tail because it looks prettier that way. This is how you devein it. You cut it along the outer side. The cod we cut into smaller pieces. We separate the head of the squid and take out the cartilage. Rinse it. We are going to cut mushrooms into 4. We suggest that you soak the rice a night before or 2-3 hours before cooking it. And before that, you should rinse it until the water runs clear. Here we are using for 1.5 cups of rice 2.5 cups of water instead of 3, because after soaking and washing there's quite a bit of water left in the rice, so a little less water would be better. Don't forget a pinch of salt, always a good idea. And let's continue with veggies. You can use string beans or this kind of beans. Any kind of beans are okay. Bell pepper. Onions, we cut along and horizontally once. Slices should be quite large. Rice, it's boiling right now, so we lower the temperature and cover it. The temperature is almost on the minimal, and we continue with our vegetables. Lemongrass we are using for flavor, and we'll be picking it out as we are eating it, so the pieces should be large. Almost all of the water has been absorbed. We're going to use paper towel. We're going to lay it underneath the lid, and we will turn off the stove and allow the rice to cook in the steam of the remaining water. Now we are ready to cook the curry. We have everything prepared. First, we send both cans of the coconut cream into the pot. And before it begins to boil, we add curry paste to a taste. It's a very spicy paste, so we are adding 2 tablespoons, but it's not gonna be very hot this way because we are eating it with our son, who doesn't like it very spicy. He doesn't eat spicy foods yet. Garlic, lemongrass, and now it's boiling, and we have added some sugar as well. Now it's time to dive in the seafood. And here it goes into the pot. Thyme fruit veggies, beans, onions, and red bell peppers. Now we're going to add the fish sauce. Add 2-3 spoons. Try it, because this is the sauce that is very salty. Try it before you put too much. We are adding 3 tablespoons. Lime juice, tomatoes and mushrooms. They're going to be the last ones. We have to submerge it and allow to reach a boiling temperature and cook for about 2 minutes. Looks delicious. Add some cilantro. And it's ready. Everyone around me can't wait to sit down at the dinner table and dig in. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, hit that like button, and share it with your friends and family. Bye bye!